Model, 14-plate Ford Transit Custom 290L1 Diesel MOTED front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van window vans spares OR repairs grin margin for ATR-ADER. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 157,302. MOT, 18 June 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% fine simple turbo replacement. Gearbox and clutch are fine. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Window van very easy to pop in a few seat,